My name is Florian Wojacek. I work in Otinus as a design engineer and as a demonstrator of machines in our showroom. In today's episode, I would like to discuss the laser cutting technology. Precisely speaking, the differences between cutting with nitrogen and air as an inert gas. Speaking of differences between cutting with these two gases, the difference is minor, as we know that there is almost 80% of nitrogen in the air. The difference is not significant. Speaking of cutting parameters, technology parameters for cutting with both gases are exactly the same. As you can realize, you have to pay for the nitrogen bundle regardless of whether you buy a bundle of 12 cylinders or a large tank of nitrogen liquid that can be set up outdoors. While you can cut with nitrogen at about 20 bar, achieving a higher cutting speed using the bundle, still, cutting with air is cheaper as we can get air from a screw compressor or other suitable device. When using air as an inert gas, cutting at about 15 bar is sufficient. As a result, we pay only for energy consumed to generate the required pressure. The difference between cutting results is worth mentioning too. The quality of the curve in mild steel cutting is not highly affected due to the low carburization of the material. As a result of low carburization, no discoloration is visible. Slag that remains in the lower part of the curve is negligible. On the other hand, there is a difference in cutting stainless steel. When using nitrogen as an inert gas, the curve is shiny silver. When using air as an inert gas, the curve is slightly oxidized. Traces of gilding are visible, which is very apparent when cutting stainless steel with air. If we construct the gas installation well, only two valves are needed: to close the nitrogen system and to open the air system. At this point, everything goes through a single line to our machine. The entire control of gas pressure is done with the proportional valve, which is adapted for nitrogen. But because of the lower pressure applied when using air as an inert gas, air can go through the proportional valve too. Also, if we have a combined installation, by opening one of the two valves we can apply the gas we need. If we cut parts which need further processing, we do recommend using air. The main reason is that the cutting with air is cheaper than cutting with nitrogen as an inert gas, and the effects are as satisfactory as when cutting with nitrogen. Yet the cost is much lower, so I recommend.